Dito tayo ngayon sa Fushimi Inari Taisha, located in Kyoto. Fushimi Inari is the head shrine of Inari. It is said to be the god of rice, sake, and prosperity. Kaya karamihan sa nagpupunta dito are praying for bountiful harvest, business prosperity, the safety of their home and family, and the fulfillment of all kinds of other wishes. Ganyan karami ang tao nagpupunta dito para mag-pray at magsabi ng kanya-kanyang wishes. Napakaganda at sacred ng place na to, guys. Kaya sobrang popular nito di lang sa mga locals but also to foreigners. Believe it or not, most of the people coming here are foreigners from different sides of the world. Kaya buhay na buhay ang turismo dito. Ito yung very famous dito na tinatawag na Senbon Torii that consists of thousands of torii gates that are lined towards Mount Inari. Very impressive ang setting nito, guys, kaya kailangan may picture tayo dito. Fushimi Inari Taisha is said to be the #1 place na pinupuntahan ng mga turista sa Kyoto. Malapit lang to, guys, sa Fushimi Inari Station, and along the way, may marami mga souvenirs gift shop na pwede mo pagbilhan ng mga pampasalubong, as well as mga nagtitinda ng mga street foods na sobrang sarap, kaya pati tayo napatikim ng todo-todo.